Hey, Keith and Gustavo over at Seriously Strong Training. Today we're going to show you how to do trap bar deadlifts from the floor. If you're learning the pattern, we have another video on doing trap bar deadlifts from blocks, and I recommend that you start there. But if you've already mastered that and you're ready for the floor, that's what we're showing you today. With your setup on this, you want to make sure that your feet are nice and centered with where the axis of the bar is. So it has this bar coming through, but it disappears right here. You want where, if it was still in place, to be right over the middle of your foot, maybe just in front of the shins. And when you grab the handles, you're going to make sure you grab in line with that as well. It's going to help you maintain balance. Gustavo's going to bend over, he's going to grab those handles, and he's going to do a cat-cow position. We'll show you it from the side as well. Exhale, inhale, nice and tight here. He's going to bring it up. He's going to set it down with a lot of control as well. That means he's maintaining his strength and his posture throughout the entire movement. He's got a good hip width stance. Finishes nice and strong and tall. And then we're going to show you from the side as well here. So again, feet are right in the center of the bar. So his hands are centered as well. And he's going to go through that cat-cow position. Exhale, rounded. Inhale, shoulders down and back. Hip hinge, bring it up. Bring it down. Remember, when we're doing these as a deadlift, it's a hip hinge pattern. A common error we'll see is people who are trying to squat it, and that's going to look like there's a lot more knee motion and a lot more ankle bending. In a good deadlift, there won't really be any ankle motion, but he's going to show you what that squat would look like. And there's nothing wrong with that, but when we're doing deadlifts, that's not what we're working on. We're working on the hip hinge pattern, we're working on the low back, we're working on the hamstrings, so we want to make sure we set up properly for that. And that's going to be almost vertical shins, back nice and tight, and he's going to push his hips forward to bring it up and push his hips back to lower it down.